Hello students, now welcome to YouTube channel of Bharati Public School. Now last class we have discussing about the software, mean what is software. So this is the last class, but now today we have discussing about the types of software and what is an operating system. Types of operating system. Example of CUI and GUI. And after this one, we will know about the Windows. After example of Windows, desktop background, icons, select and deselect the icons and arrange the icon. This type of questions will be know. First, software. Software is the set of program. Software is the set of program. It has two types. First, it has two types. First, it has two types: system software and application software. System software, that means it operates our computer system with the help of hardware, and application software, that is like as VLC player, Google Chrome, apps, that means its another name is apps. Simply you will use this one in your phone. So first, software is, it is set of program. Okay, it has two types. What? First, system software. Second is application software. Application software. System software, it depends on CUI and GUI. It stands for customized character user interface, and it stands for graphical user interface. That means its example. Its example: DOS, Unix, Linux, and its example: Windows, Mac, operating system, many more. So this is the application software. Because that means its short name, we can call this one apps. Example like as Mozilla Firefox. Second, VLC player. 3, Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player. And 4, many more, Google Chrome also. Google Chrome also. So this type of question will be, we have discussed in last classes. That is software. Software is a set of program. Program is a set of instruction. It has two types. It has the first system software and application software. System software, that means it operates our computer system with the help of given instruction by the hardware. But application software is looks like, it's like as a apps. So like as Mozilla Firefox, VLC player, Windows Media Player, Google Chrome, this type of software is known as application software. Mean this one is depends on application, mean commands. Next thing, system software has two types. First, character user interface. Second, graphical user interface. This example DOS, Unix, Linux, and graphical user interface. This is example of Mac operating system, Windows operating system. This is the what? This is the about the last summary of software of last classes. So today's we have to start a operating system. Operating system. This is the summary of last classes. This is the summary of last classes. So let's start today about the operating system. About the operating system. Operating system. Operating system. Operating system is a software that helps to user to operate the computer system. Mean operating system. Operating system. It is a software that helps to user to operate the computer system. Example what? Example is Windows, DOS, Mac OS, Unix, Linux, etc. many more. So this is the example of operating system. Operating system has two types. Okay. Next type of operating system. It has two types. It has two types. CUI and GUI. Before few minutes we have to learn about this one. This one, characters user interface, and this one, graphical user interface. DOS is very good example of this one. This means this one depends to user. How can you use DOS character based and graphical based? So this is graphical based Windows. This is the Windows example of this one. Graphical based operating system is easy to use. Easy to use. So we can know about this one, but we can know and about the Windows. About the Windows. About the Windows. Now this time we have to learn about this one. Operating system has two types, CUI and GUI. GUI, that means graphical user interface, means it is on fully depends on graphics, and CUI, that means character user interface, it is depends on commands. It is the depends on commands data. So second topic is types of operating system, CUI and GUI. Next example of CUI and GUI we have to complete it. So now this time Windows. This is very, very important. An operating system. It is an operating system. Without operating system, we can't do anything in our computer system, because without software, if you install operating system, any operating system, you need to an application software. Like as many applications, Google Chrome for connecting to the internet, VLC player, Windows Media Player, Photos Viewer, audio for listening audio, for seeing, watching videos. So this is an operating system. Windows 1 is the first Windows who's available in market for use. And similarly, and not this time, Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows. Means Windows 1 and Windows 10. This is the latest version of Windows. And many more example of this one, like as Windows 2, Windows 3, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and lastly Windows 10. With Windows 7 will come what? Windows XP, etc. और भी है, बट ये दोनों of all steps of Windows 7 and Windows XP have to same. So finally, the development of software institutes decided to close the Windows XP. So this one will be closed in 2013. So this is the very, very important, and this is the all example of Windows. And this is a part of updated version of Windows. Mean Windows 1, Windows 2, Windows 3, Windows 4. Similarly, and came to what? The latest version of Windows is Windows 10. Windows is an operating system. Okay, it is based on graphical user interface. Mean it needs to graphics for running in your computer. When we install it, when we can install it, then will be next icon. Icon is the small pictures of the desktop screen. It represents the any file, folder or program. It represents the any file, folder or program. It is a small picture of any file, folder or program. It is a small picture of any file, folder or program. It is displaying on the So suppose that when we installed Windows 7, so this is a monitor. This is a monitor. This is the monitor, and here is the icon will be present. This is the left pen. This is the right pen. This is the left pen. Many icons will be present here, like as recycle bin, computer, and it depends on users. And this is the title bar. This is the title bar, and this is the taskbar. This is the taskbar. This is the start button. This is the start button. This is the here. This is the right pen. Here is located maximize, minimize, and close button. This is here. Here represent all the icons. Represents all the icons, and it depends on what. It depends on users which icons you here. You can take here. So icon is a small picture that represents the any file, folder, or programs in displaying on the desktop screen. It is displaying on desktop screen. Next thing is select and deselect icons. Then how to select the icons? You know about this one. First of all, mouse has 3 buttons: left button, right button, and scroll. Left button, right button, and scroll. So mouse, suppose that this is mouse, this is scroll, this is scroll, and this is left button, this is right button. Okay, so when we click on first of select, click on the icon, click on the icon, that means your icons will be selected. When you press the shift key, and after press the shift key, we can select another icons. So both icons will be selected. With pressing shift key, and we can select to another, we can select to another, we can select to another. So our icons will be selected. Either you can deselect it when you press the, we can click on any empty area of the screen. Deselect, this is select and deselect. Next thing is arranging the icons. Next thing, arranging the icons means when we select all the icons of the screen, so right click here, and here is given a command sort by. So we can choose the option sort by. So our all the icons will be arranged in our computer screen. Again, next thing is desktop background. Next thing is desktop background. Like as this one. Suppose that this one, your computer first screen when you switch on your computer. So this one is the first screen of computer. So, but here is this is the, what is the background? This is the background. Its background color is black, and it has two types. It is the foreground. It's called. Its foreground color is what? Its foreground color is white. So it is the foreground, and this is the background. This is the background color. मीन जो ऑलरेडी पहले से है वो हो गया हमारा बैकग्राउंड, उसके ऊपर जिस कलर से हम लोग टाइप कर रहे हैं या लिख रहे हैं वो हमारा हो जाता है क्या, फोरग्राउंड। एंड हियर इट डिस्प्ले आइकन्स, हियर इज दिस इज द एम्प्टी एरिया ऑफ द स्क्रीन एंड हियर दिस इज द टास्क बार, this is the taskbar. It has many commands. Here is the start menu. Here is the start menu. All commands will be here. All icons. So question will be what is how to change the desktop background. How to change the desktop background. This is very simple. This is the right input area. हम अभी just बताए a mouse has 3 buttons. Many times we have discussing about this one. So press the cursor in right side with any empty area of the screen. Press the right button and click on personalize. And when you click on personalize, so a new window screen will be appear. Then you can select desktop background. When you click on desktop background, so many background will be present there. Either you want to choose from any file folder where you saved any another background for screen, so you can choose from your file folder. Either already here exist here, so we can select the background and we can, after the selecting the desktop background pictures, so click on changes desktop background, so our desktop background will be changed. So this is the step of changing the desktop background. First of all, place the cursor in empty area of the screen. Right click here, click on personalize option, then click on desktop background option, and next select any pictures or images from any file or folder, and next click on save changes. So our desktop background will be changed. This is the step of desktop background. Again, desktop, place the cursor in empty area of the screen. Second, right click here, press the right key of your mouse and click on personalize option. This is mean when right click of mouse, so there will be a very list. So after click on personalize option, then click desktop background option, and next select any pictures or images. Mean there is two things. If you already saved in any file or folder, you can select from your file or folder. Either you can select already exist in your desktop background images. So we can select directly. Either you can select from any file or folder and then click on save changes. So your desktop backgrounds will be changed. So this is very important. So next question is how to open an icons. अगर आइकन्स के बारे में जान गए तो अब क्वेश्चन है कि उसको ओपन कैसे करेंगे. हाउ टू ओपन एन आइकन्स. So this is very simple. Double click on, first of all, double click on it. So our any icons of the screen we can double click on it. That means we can press continue left key of the mouse. So our icons will open. Okay. Next thing is how to open an icon. So first double click on it. Double click on the icon of the screen. When double click on it, continue, so our icons will open. Or next, how to delete an icons. How to delete an icons. How to delete an icons. This is very simple. Select the icons. Select the icons and the next part, right click on it. Right click on it and click on break. So your icons will delete it. So this is the last topic of your chapters. So again listen, we call all the summary or the points of today we have to know in this chapter. We know in this chapter what is, first of all, what is software. After knowing software, types of software, then what is an operating system, what is GUI, what is CUI, what is Windows, and an example of Windows, how to change the desktop background, how to open an icons, how to delete an icons. So this is the all related topics of your lesson 1. Thank you.